kindly allow me to equally state that this country is ailing, the country is sick. It requires a surgeon and a political surgeon. Will be precise to addressing the issues ailing this country. And we all understand that the issues ailing this country is the issues of lawlessness and the disregard of the rule of law. We need a leader who is going to restore this country back to the rule of law. And that leader, in my own view, and in the view of the majority of the Kenyans, is you, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka. If we are able to get the country back to the rule of law, we will not speak about issues of accountability. If we get this country back to the rule of law, we will not speak about the issues of transparency. If we get the country back to the rule of law, issues of abduction and extrajudicial killings will be the issues of the past. Issues of disregard of the views of the people will be a thing of the past. Issues of corruption will be the issues of the past. Your Excellency, I have heard the Bible says that happy are the peacekeepers. But where we are going, we require much more than peace. We require aggression. Thank unto you that you are vigorously aggressive to defending the integrity and the sovereignty of our country. I wish to thank you for, once more for having taken the lead in the Adani's case, that you've come out to protect the sovereignty of our country, symbolized by the JKIA. JKIA is ours and nobody can touch us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And as we invite the next speaker, who is also one of the